This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. Ready to live in the county in Odem? Don't want too many neighbors? This amazing home sits on 0.75 of an acre, has a gorgeous open floor plan, large master bedroom with amazing updates throughout. Pictures don't do as much justice as walking in and seeing for yourself. Home has outdoor kitchen, half bath outside with fireplace. You don't want to miss the gorgeous home. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.